Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Is honey good for you? Today let us see how is it good for you, its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Consuming honey has many health benefits that involve the heart, wound healing and maintaining the blood antioxidant status. However, due to high sugar and calories, it should be consumed in moderation as too much may lead to complications. It is also advisable to substitute sugar with honey and enjoy in small proportions. A single tablespoon of honey has 64 calories, 17 gram carbs with little or no fat, protein and fiber. It is also rich in potassium, iron and zinc. Now let us see the benefits of consuming honey. It is rich in antioxidants like phenolic acid and flavonoids that provides better health and reduces the risk of oxidative cell damage. It plays a significant role to protect against heart diseases, diabetes and cancer. It helps in improving the heart. When you substitute sugar with honey, it enhances heart health and reduces the chances of heart diseases. It also helps in lowering the blood sugar, triglycerides, decreases the level of LDL cholesterol and increases HDL cholesterol. It promotes wound healing. The antibacterial properties in honey can lower the growth of microorganisms that causes infections. It is also used as a healing medicine for skin wounds and cures diabetic foot ulcers. Lastly, it is good than refined sugar. When you have type 2 diabetes and consume honey, it may affect the blood sugar level, but not at that extent as sugar does. It is a good option than refined sugars, but intake in moderation prevents all the adverse effects that occurs on health. Now let us see how to make an easy honey lemonade recipe. Please note down the ingredients you need. Half fresh lemon de-seeded, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 cup of water and 4 ice cubes. Now let us see how to prepare. Firstly, add all the ingredients to the blender. And blend well. Then pour it into the glass and serve chilled. Thus it concludes, honey is delicious for you to substitute with sugar, works as a medicine and becomes a part of a healthy diet. Thank you.